It is laundry day. I found a laundry place close by, so I have 2 bags, a couple kilos to wash. Probably gonna cost like $6 or $7, which is fine because I don't want to do it. But look at this place. It looks like a cabin. Got a loft upstairs with 3 beds. 1 bed on each side here and here, and then my little bed right there on the stairs. It's perfect. So gotta go put some money on my bus card today so I can get around town. Got a good ticket to get out of here, and then go do some hiking, some biking, have some fun. All right, Bariloche, here we come. I was supposed to ride the bike, but not enough cash, so I ended up just getting beer and eating food. Currently walking through Bariloche neighborhood. I'm gonna go up to a hike. It's a quick hike, only like 2 miles out and back, so nothing crazy, but the bike trip I was supposed to go on today didn't work out as planned, so decided to go for another plan, which is I'm gonna do this hike, 2.1 miles, nothing crazy, and then from there I'm gonna go eat some chocolate. Taking the path less taken. Nobody here right now. Looks great. This is summertime in Bariloche. Woo! I'm about to smash some chocolate that I just got because Bariloche is known for chocolate. And I have a great view, so check this out. I know. It's not always rainbows. Life still happens around here. Traveling the world and doing what we're doing. Still emotions, still feelings. Some days you just struggle. One of those days. The hills are alive. 1 kilometer to go. Maybe you can hear me now without the wind, but the temperature changed really quick. It's cold. Hace frío.
Cheers.
Finished. 11 miles, 12 miles. Pretty sweet. Did some extra hiking up there. Hope you can hear this. We'll see. Main street in Bariloche. Going for a little walk. It's nice out today. Beautiful. Look at the moon. Not a bad place for coffee. Coffee and ice skating. Pretty excited. I just found a shawarma place. I'm really excited. I need some shawarma. First up is the empanada vegetable. It's spinach and ricotta. Look at this thing. It's like in a pretzel. It's really good. Next up is the shawarma. I'm hungry, so we're getting after it. Last day in Bariloche. Catching the bus tonight to El Bolson for 2 nights, and then I'm going to El Hoyo for 2 nights, or 3 nights in El Bolson, 2 nights in El Hoyo, and then I'm catching a bus to El Calafate, which will be a 25-hour bus, but it is where the famous glacier is, and from there I might be able to do a day trip or pop over to El Chaltén, where I can see Mount Fitzroy. So, plenty to do. This is a beautiful city, plenty to see. The lake is amazing, and then you have all these little side views of mountains everywhere. So it's a good place to start if you want to see Patagonia. If you just want to touch it, it's a good place because it's easy to get to Mendoza and Chile and everywhere else. So maybe start here and figure it out. On the move, just got to the bus. Now we have 2.5 hours till El Bolson. Let's go. This is Bariloche.